Now that we know the three basic positions, first, second, and third, we're going to put those into our first exercise, which is a plie exercise. Now, plie, the French word, and the interpretation there, it means to bend. Okay, so the bending of our legs that we're going to be working with. This exercise develops the strength and also the toning of our thighs, and also works the buttocks area. You know, how we connect all those muscles down through the buttocks into the thigh. So we're going to start here in first position parallel. And we have two different plies. It's going to be a demi-plie and a grand plie. Now, if Karen can just turn on the 45-degree angle, because I want you to be able to see the angular position of the legs. So a demi means half. Okay, so this is the position of a demi-plie. Note slight bend. Okay, note the degree of bend there. Karen will come back up. Now she's going to demonstrate a grand plie in this position. We're going to go through demi and then straight down. Now, the buttocks is not touching the feet. Okay, there's probably about 2 or 3 inches in between that area. That is where you need to go, and then you come back up. That is how we build the strength. Okay, an exercise would be, we would go down for 2 into a demi and come back up. We would go down 2 counts again into a demi and come back up. Now 4 counts down into a grand, and then 4 counts back up. And there we have it. That can be repeated over and over and over. Now, if Karen can open up to a first position turnout, same idea here. Demi-plie, bending of the knees. Okay, note what happens here. If Karen can go back down there, basically the design that's drawn in between her legs is a diamond. Okay, think of that position. Come back up, standing up. Now let's go down to a grand plie in first position. Same idea here now, taking the body down close to the ground, but the buttocks is in line with the knees. Okay. Karen coming back up. Let's show them what a bad grand plie would look like. If you can go back down and just drop your butt down. And also, look how she dropped her center. Okay, come on back up. That is what we need to maintain in all of the plie exercises, this center position. All right, let's go into third position with the right foot forward. Same idea here, a demi-plie. Now, we need to maintain our heels on the ground, okay, flat feet. Come on back up. Let's go down to a grand. Now here, the heels are going to come off of the ground, okay? Heels are going to come off the ground. Karen's going to come back up. And I do want to say, going back to that first position, plie, the heels do come off the ground. Let's go with the left foot in front. And our demonstration here, going down to a demi-plie, heels on the ground, come back up. And we go down to the grand plie, maintaining the center and coming back up. So now the exercise, you can relax your arms for a moment. Our exercise now will go demi and up, and demi and up, and then grand, and then back up. So let's start at first position turned out, Karen. And let's start with the first segment of the exercise. We're going to repeat this 3 times in first. Then we're going to open up the second, repeat it 3 times. And then we'll go to third position, right foot forward. Okay, here we go. And you can take this exercise and make it work for you. We have, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now 1 and 2 and 3. Note the heels off the ground. 2, 3. Again, going 1, 2. Note all the positions of the body. 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. Take all the counts and up. 2. That's the most important part there, to take all the counts. 1, 2, and 1. And down, 2, and up and 2. Control that center. Now keep it straight. And to second position, out, here we go. Now watch the body. Look at the heels. Note the heels are staying on the ground. And now down to a grand plie in second, okay, turned out and up, and going down again, 1, and up, and down, and up, and now watch again, heels stay on the ground in a second position plie, a grand plie. And we're still going through the exercise here for you. Make sure that you're writing this down and getting this ready for your ensemble. And now we're going to go to third position from here, going to the plies into the demi, and up, and demi, and up, and now down to the grand, heels coming off the ground. Okay, maintain that control, tighten all those muscles, maintaining your center, focusing in on where that energy is being released from. And we have one more set to go with the demi, and the demi again. Note that positioning. The heels were on the ground there, and remember they come off the ground when you go into the grand plie. So there you have the plie exercise that will really, really be of great benefit to your ensemble.